And welcome everybody to the Daily Space Weather. Before we get started, I just wanted to thank all of our viewers for tuning into the content. All of you who've watched our videos progress over the years. We used to do the videos live and have everything all shoved together into one video, often over an hour in length. So thanks to the Smash team, thanks to everybody on YouTube, etc., who's tuned in, watched the channel over the years. We don't always do things the easy way, and of course there's certain information that we really prefer to cover, so let's get to covering it. So we've got two major sunspot groups here, sunspot 2954 and sunspot 2955. 2953 has degraded here over the past 24. 2955 has gained some additional ombre. So here's a close-up of those two regions. 2954 is a little bit ahead of 2955. 2955 is down here. 2954 is up here. Great close-up there from the Solar Dynamics Observatory. And let's move to the colorized magnetogram to see not a lot of activity happening in the southern hemisphere. Although I'm going to forecast some activity is about to rise. We're going to see an active region or a sunspot rise in the southern hemisphere in the next day or two. That's my forecast. Or maybe one will just form down there, but that's my forecast for sunspot activity. And there you can see 2953, 2954, and 2955. The most likely spot for solar flares is the last, as mentioned, sunspot 2955. Here's a composite view. This is 131 and 94 angstroms. Those are the wavelengths to look at when you see solar flaring. They take 10 images per minute, 5 times as many as other wavelengths. And here's 131 and 171 angstroms. Another spectacular close-up there from the SDO, the Solar Dynamics Observatory. The 10.7 centimeter radial flux has dropped down to 95. It was up to 98 yesterday. Now it's come back down a little bit. There's the one-year chart to put it in context. The black line is the radial flux. It's the most similar feature we have to sunspot number in terms of solar activity. And we don't see any space weather storms or geomagnetic unrest in the forecast here from the Space Weather Enthusiast dashboard. Let's take a look at global seismicity. There's a 7 magnitude earthquake drought continuing here. This is the 90-day bar graph, courtesy volcanodiscovery.com. And remember, folks, any earthquake could be a foreshock. If you're in an earthquake-prone zone, please have a plan. We've seen a lull of earthquakes. Since yesterday, we saw an uptick and now a downtick, so pretty calm over the past 24 hours. Barely even anything reaching into the 5 magnitude. So is it the calm before the earthquake storm? Let us know what you think in the comments. Papua New Guinea, I think, was the largest quake of the past 24. Just a 5.0 there, and I think that's pretty much it. Now, as far as volcanoes, we do see some suspects returning to the list here. So Mount Ibu, located on the Isle of Halmahera, is exploding. It's producing a flight level 070. That's a 7,000-foot volcanic ash plume over Halmahera, Indonesia. Another Indonesian island, East Java, features Semeru, which is also exploding. 13,000-foot ash plume, flight level 130 from Semeru over East Java. Fuego in Guatemala continues to explode. 16,000-foot ash plume from Fuego. Also a lava flow on the south-southwest flank, now about 300 meters long, according to the report. Also some lava bombs being ejected. Please don't attempt to square dance the caldera. Telica in Nicaragua has been exploding. It's about a flight level 050, a 5,000-foot volcanic ash plume, mostly brown, earthy ejected material there. Usually volcanic ash plumes are grayish. Nevado del Ruiz also exploding in Colombia. Flight level 210. It's produced a 21,000-foot volcanic ash plume. And Sangay in Ecuador exploding. 20,000-foot ash plume from Sangay. Sabancaya, 26,000-foot ash plume, flight level 260 over Peru. Please don't pole vault the caldera. Please allow me to welcome you to the Neo-Renaissance. We're in the process of writing a paper about the solar polar field reversal and solar sunspot cycles. A plausible mechanism underlying them. Once again, thanks to all of our viewers for supporting the content. If our channel hadn't been monetized a couple of years ago, we may have never done it. Thanks to everybody who supported us on Patreon and especially on the Smash team. Check out our merch designs. We've opened up all 27 designs throughout the month of February. If you see something here you haven't seen before, make sure you pick it up before March, as it may vanish. 27 designs currently available here from the Redbubble shop. Thanks to everybody who's picked up merch. We like to support the channel not only with information, we like to support the viewers with tangible assets as well. So we've created some there with those great high-res designs. Next, thanks to the Smash team. If you prefer to see the content continue to exist and remain publicly visible, consider becoming a member of the Smash team at smashomash.com/Smash team. We replaced Patreon with a superior services site, and it's just better. We just launched it in October. So get involved, leave comments, join at the bronze level. It's free. The silver level's $2.99 a month. The gold level's $9.99 a month. There's even an annual paid-up option, which is the best value. It's time to create another video. We'll be making 3 Daily Space Weather videos today. This is one of 3. There'll also be a meteorology segment, which will have premiered before this. Thanks for tuning into the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.